Tired of confusing and expensive ways to send money back home? Today, we are diving into how you can send money from Australia to Pakistan easily and securely using Remitly. First, download the Remitly app or head to their website and create an account. You'll need to provide your personal information and verify your identity. This is standard procedure for security. Next, add your recipient's details in Pakistan. This includes their full name, address, phone number, and most importantly, their bank account information or the details of the cash pickup location they prefer. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Now, let's choose how you want to pay. Remitly offers several options, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Keep in mind that the fees and transfer speeds may vary depending on your choice. Before confirming, pay close attention to the exchange rate and the fees Remitly charges. They're usually transparent about these costs, so you know exactly what you're paying. Look out for any promotional offers too. Once your transfer is complete, you can track its progress in real time through the app. Remitly will also send you updates via email or SMS, and that's it. Your money is on its way to your loved ones in Pakistan. Sending money home shouldn't be a hassle. Remitly makes it simple, secure, and transparent. Now go ahead and give it a try.